In the age of smart iron, connectivity is delivering big improvements in efficiency, safety, and productivity, along with big savings in time and money. These gains don't come from telematics data alone, but from actionable information and insights that drive smart decisions. That's what you get with VisionLink Fleet Management Software. Use it to view machine and attachment location in hours, track idle time, fuel use, and more for your entire fleet. Then, maximize uptime by keeping your equipment fueled and running. Stay on top of equipment health by monitoring fault codes, maintenance tasks, fluid analysis, and inspection results. Then, schedule service when it least affects production. Track data about machine use, payload, volume, cycles, and even project productivity. Then, take action to maximize efficiency and meet production goals. You can even customize VisionLink's tools around your specific needs, like setting up alerts based on your priorities or sharing reports with team members or business partners. Getting started with VisionLink requires just 3 steps. Step 1 is activation. For new CAT equipment, simply activate the telematics hardware built into your machines. For older equipment, other makes, and assets like attachments or pickup trucks, your CAT dealer can help you order and install the right hardware. Step 2 is selecting a data subscription. Choose from various options based on how much information is right for you and how often you want to receive it: daily, hourly, or every 10 minutes. Step 3 is integrating the data into your business. You can access all your information via the secure VisionLink website or integrate it directly into your current business system software in an ISO standard format. You can also turn to your CAT dealer for custom fleet management services. No matter what size or type of operation you run, VisionLink can help you get more done in less time for less cost. Talk to your CAT dealer today about putting VisionLink fleet management technology to work and start realizing the real benefits of connectivity.